Many students find infectious diseases overwhelming because the spectrum is too vast. But I, Dr. Sandeep, believe that when you understand the concept of microbiology, the host response, and clinical reasoning, most of these cases become systematic and approachable. In my classes, we'll simplify challenging concepts, connect them to everyday clinical practice, and build your confidence to tackle questions in NEET super specialty and real-life patient care. If you think critically, stay curious, and master one of medicine's most dynamic specialties, I would be delighted to be a part of your journey. Let's learn to stay one step ahead, because in medicine, knowledge is our strongest defense.